Hello students, in previous lecture we had discussed the different steps for construction of sewer pipelines. Today we will discuss the different requirements for sewer sanitary system layout setup. Following are the several parameters or requirements that should be specified by the design before setting of layout for sewer sanitary system. So, first requirement is specify an outlet for sewer sanitary system which is based on the conditions of the project. So, the system might discharge into pumping station, treatment plant or trunk or main sanitary sewer. Next, estimating tributary area, positioning main sewers and trunk, decide whether pumping station is required or not, then specify the location of the pump station if needed. So, these are the basic requirements for the layout of sanitary system. Next, setting of sanitary sewer system layout. The initial layout of sewer sanitary system is set up based on the topography of the area and the related information. So, the topography is a major thing which we have to study before drawing or before draw the layout of sewer line. The slope of the sewer system is dependent on the gradient of the area. The slope of the sewer system is joined by trunk or main sewers, but the exact location is influenced by number of factors such as position of utilities, type and extent of pavement that might be encountered, availability of right of way and traffic conditions. Next, sanitary sewer system should be designed in such a way that it takes the future requirements into consideration unless economic restriction prevents the execution of such considerations. So, regarding the location of sewer sanitary system in relation of public water supplies, almost all codes and state standards specified certain distance between sanitary sewer mains and water mains both horizontally and vertically. So, before laying the sewer line, we have to study the different codes for different area and we have to keep the proper measurement or proper distance between different pipelines, also from manholes where we have to keep the manholes and where we have to keep the pipelines or inspection chamber. So, this is a figure provision of manholes for sewer sanitary system due to changes in pipe sizes. This figure shows the sewer sanitary manhole. Here it is provided. This also a figure of manhole, provision manhole for maintenance, inspection and emergency purpose, like this. Then, shapes of sewers. Normally, sewer pipes are circular in shapes. The other types of shapes are prepared under special necessity for a particular project. But after that also there is various types of sewers are present. Number 1, circular sewer. Number 2, egg-shaped sewer. Number 3, rectangular sewer. Number 4, parabolic sewer. Number 5, horseshoe sewer. So, these are the basic shapes of sewers. So, first one, circular sewers. Circular shaped sewers are generally used for collection and transfer of sewers or sewage. It is preferred for all types of waste. These are best suitable for diameters up to 1.5 meter. So, these circular sewers are best for the diameter up to 1.5 meter and basically or mostly the circular sewers are used for carrying the sewage of a town or in a city. Some advantages of circular sewers: its inner surface is smooth and allows uniform flow of sewage. This is the main advantage of circular sewers. There is no chance of deposition of solid particles in the sewer line. As the inner surface is smooth, so that obviously all the sewage there is no chance of deposition of any type of solid particles or any type of blockage inside the sewer line. Circular sewages are easy to construct. It is the most economical section since it requires minimum quantity of material for its construction. So these are the major advantages of circular sewers. Also there is some disadvantages. In case of heavy flow of sewage, the circular sewers of smaller diameter are not sufficient. So large diameter of sewage is to be used. So where more amount or large quantity of sewage are discharged, or we have to dispose a large quantity of sewage, in that case we have to provide large diameter circular sewer. Otherwise there is chances of damage of the sewer lines. The number 2, egg-shaped section sewers. These egg-shaped section sewers are again divided into two types, or it is of two types: normal egg-shaped section, number 2 inverted egg-shaped section. So first one, normal egg-shaped section. The hydraulic mean depth of egg-shaped section is same so to that of circular sewer section. These type of sewer section are sufficient to carry both sewage and storm water. So this type of sewer are suitable for combined sewer system. So normal egg-shaped section sewers are basically used for combined sewerage system. Combined, separate, partially separate, already we have discussed in previous lectures. So this is the figure of normal egg-shaped section. Then would be inverted egg-shaped section. It is preferred for combined sewers. It also preferred for combined sewer section or for combined sewerage system. Its advantage over circular shape is that it gives higher velocity during low flow of same capacity. It is difficult to construct and less stable. It requires additional bedding of brick, masonry or concrete to make it stable. So its more or main advantage is that it gives or it flows or disposes the sewage in a higher velocity rather than the sewage flow in a circular sewer. And number 3, rectangular section sewers. So rectangular section sewers are easy to construct and can carry heavy discharge or can dispose heavy or a large quantity of sewage. The maintenance work in rectangular section are easy. This can be made up of brick masonry or RCC masonry. Generally, it is used for covered stormwater drains. Sometimes it is used to work as a storage tank. So this rectangular section sewers also we used as a storage tank whenever it is necessary. The number 4, parabolic section sewers. This type of sewer are suitable for small discharge or drainage, or where we have to dispose a small quantity of sewage. In that case particularly we use parabolic section sewers. The upper arc of the sewer forms the shape of parabola. This may be used for carrying comparatively small quantities of sewage as comparison to previous sewer sections. The invert may be elliptical or parabolic. It is found to be economic in construction. Then number 5, last one, horse-shoe section sewers. This type of sewer are constructed to carry heavy discharge. The sewer section looks like a tunnel structure or horse-shoe structure. The size is kept large for easy maintenance work. Such sewer is suitable when headroom for the construction of sewer is limited. The invert of this section may be flat, parabolic or circular. Its height is more than its width. Its height, or we have to keep this type of sewer section's height is more than its width. Its wall most inclined with semicircular arc at top, and also it is easy for us to maintenance, or maintenance work of this sewer section is also easy. So this much for this lecture. In next lecture we will proceed with the different types of materials of sewer, or the different materials from which the sewers are prepared. So for this much, thank you.